Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some baby food purees. As you guys know that Zhuri is now 4 months, so she has recently started eating solids, while trying to eat solids. I started her off with some oatmeal and breast milk, and today I'm going to be preparing some apple puree, carrot puree and sweet potato, and I'd like for you guys to come along with me and see how I prepare that. So let's get into it. So what you're gonna need is some food storage. I'm gonna be using my Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature milk storage pots because I don't really use them, so if I need extra storage I'll be using those. They come 4 in a pack. I got this freezer pack from Clicks. It was about 70 rand. I actually ordered 2, but they messed up my order, and so I just have the one. You can also store them in milk storage bags, as I've stored my blended oats. Let me just focus. Yeah, as I stored my blended oats as well. You're gonna need some sort of blender. I ended up getting a stick blender because I wasn't willing to wait, and I kind of regret not just waiting, but anyways, this will have to do for now. So I got a Safeway stick blender. I got this from Clicks for 200 rand. Okay, so here's the veggies. I have some carrots, sweet potato and apples. So you're gonna wash them and peel them and boil and steam each of them. Okay, so we're gonna set the oven to 180 to roast your sweet potato and bake. And you're gonna put some parchment paper down onto the oven tray. Now I've already washed these, so what I'm going to do is put them down and poke some holes in them. Okay, so here we go. Here they are. I've poked some holes into them, and I'm gonna put them into the oven just like that. No oil, nothing, for about 45 minutes or until it's soft and good and roasted. Okay, so this is how I chop them. It doesn't really matter how you chop them, just that they cook evenly. Okay, so I got it in the pot with some hot water. I boiled the water before I put it in just to make it go faster. So I just put enough water just to cover it, and I'll leave it to boil for 15 minutes. Okay, so now I have my apples in there, just enough water to cover it, and we're gonna leave the pot on. Okay, so now that my carrots are ready, it only took like 15 minutes to be soft. I'm going to spoon them into my bowl. And you can save the water in case you need to thin it a bit. As you can see, it's full of all that nutrients and goodness. So I'm just going to blend it. Okay, so you have to blend until you're completely happy with the texture. If you whatever blender you have, you've got to make it work. Okay, so this is what we want. A lovely carrot puree. And I'm just checking to see if there's no lumps and bumps and that it's all pureed through. So the apples are ready, so we're going to do the same with the apples. We're dividing it into 2 teaspoons per serving because that's how much your baby's going to eat per day. So here's a look at our apple, and I didn't put too much water in it, just enough to cover it and boil down nicely in less than 15 minutes. And this is the apple. Okay, so this is after 40 minutes in the oven. As you can see, it's lovely and soft and cooked all the way through, so we can get to blending. So this is a look at the sweet potato. All you have to do is peel it, add a little bit water so that it can be a nice pureed consistency, and that's all. And just like that, we've got some great meals for babies to start on. I managed to get 4 pods of, actually 5 pods of sweet potato, 3 pods of carrots, and 4 pods of the apple sauce. So yeah, I portioned them in 2.5 spoons. For the sweet potato, I put 3 spoons because that's her usual serving size. All you have to do now is wait for it to cool down and freeze it, and you can use it as you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and leave a like if this was helpful for you, and share if you care. Bye.